Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, that is percentage. So let's see the question on percentage. In an election, a candidate secured 42% vote. The other candidate secured 58% vote and defeated by 480 votes. Find the number of votes polled. Okay, very simple question. First, you have to try by your own. Keep a self-confidence that yes, I can solve it. 100x was the number of votes. Out of those 100x, 42x was secured by one candidate and 58x was secured by other candidates. And the margin between these two were how much? 480 votes. So that means the difference between this 58x minus 42x, that is 16x, is what equivalent to 480. So you can find out the value of x. So x value can be find out, that is 30. 16x equal to 480. So you will simply divide by 16. So x value is 30. So you can simply put this value in this, right? So 100 into 30, that is how much? 3000 votes. So 3000 was the initial number of votes that person got in that were the number of votes that was cast in the election. Simple. Let's move towards next question. 10% voters did not cast their vote in an election between two candidates. 10% of votes polled were found invalid. The successful candidate got 54% of the valid votes and won by a majority of 1620 votes. The number of votes enrolled was. So out of 100x votes, 10x people did not cast their vote in election between two. So these people did not cast. Okay. 10% of the votes polled were found invalid. The successful candidate got 6. So 10 again 10% x was found invalid, right? And out of those 80x, the successful candidate got 54% of valid vote. So 54% of 80 you have to calculate. So you can simply find out. So 80 into 54, that comes out to be 43.20, right? And other candidate got how much then? You have to simply minus this 43.20 from that, means other candidate got 86.8x. This get this much, right? And won by majority of how much? 1620 votes. So the difference between them is 1620. So you can simply minus this thing, 43.20 minus 36.80. So this comes out to be 6.4x equal to how much? 1620. Now you can find out simply the value of this. So 1620 divided by 6.4 will get the number of votes. So let's see this question. The question is, the population of a town increases 5% annually. If present population of town is 84,000, what what will be it in 2 years time? Okay, means their population of a town is increasing 5% annually. Okay, and if the present population is 84,000, they ask you what will be the population after 2 years. For this you have to simply do one thing. You have to apply compound interest formula. What is it? It is P1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n, right? So present population you know, rate of interest you know, right? Or rate of increase you know. Now you know the number of years. Now you can simply calculate the population after 2 years. Just you have to put the values in the given answer box, right? So 84,000 1 plus 5 by 100, right? Raised to power n. N is how much? 2 years. Okay. This when you solve, it comes out to be 105, which you can write as 105 upon 100. So it can be written in a short form like 21 by 20, right? So you can simply do 84,000 into 21 into 21 divided by 2 times 20, right? You can do this. So after solving this, you will get 8400, triple zero, sorry, 21 by 20 into 21 by 20, right? This 20 you can cancel out. Now you can find the answer just by multiplying it by 21, 2 times and then divided by 2, 2. So this comes out to be 92,610. Means after 2 years, the population of village will be 92,610. Simple question. Let's move towards next question. The population of town increases at a rate of 5% if the present population is 4,410. What is its population 2 years back? Okay. For 2 years back, earlier the question which we saw is the one where we went ahead, right? We find out the population of a town after 2 years. Here they ask you find the population of town before 2 years. So here you have to come back, and whenever such type of past population is asked, then you simply what you have to do, the present population upon 1 plus rate 100 raised to n. So you know the present population, that is 4410. You have rate, that is 5% annually. 1 plus 5 upon 100. And for how many years back they asked? 2 years, right? Now you can simply find out the answer by applying this formula. So you have to divide it by 21, then multiply it by 4. This can be written as 21 into 21 divided by 20 upon 20. In simple form, you can write in this way, right? So this can be, if you solve the denominator, you will come to know the answer. So after solving this, you will get the population of village as 4,000. Simple. Just you need to solve certain things, and that is very simple calculation, nothing to worry about. Okay. Let's move towards next question. Okay, this is the third type of question. Whatever the question that I am covering, it is more than enough for any examination, and you not need to solve any question separately. However, you can find out the similar type of question, or you can solve the questions from the book. You must use reference book in order to clarify your doubts and in order to solve more number of questions. Okay, so these are practice questions that you are doing. So after your concept get clear from here, you have to solve question by your own, by visiting various YouTube channels or by referring various books. You can solve the questions. Okay, so here is a question that is in front of you. That is, the population of a town is 1,40,000. 44,000. 1,44,000. It increases by 5% during the first year. During the second year, it decreases by 10%, and by the third year, it increases by 15%. What is the population after 3 years? Similar formula, P 1 plus R by 100. But now, for every year, there will be a separate multiplication. This is for first year. This will be for second year. But here, the population decreases. So this plus will convert into minus. And this will be for third year. Right? Here, it is increased. No need to change sign, right? So you can solve it simply. So 1 4 4 0 0 0 1 plus 5 by 100, okay, into 1 minus 10 by 100. Why minus? Because the population decreases in second year. In third year, increases by 15%, right? After solving this, you will get the answer, that is 1440. 0, 0, 0, 21 by 20. Right? This after you solve, it will come out to be 90 by 100. You can simply write 9 by 10. Okay? And this comes out to be 115 by 100, 23 by 20. You can write. Now you can solve this 21 into 9 into 23, divide by 20, divide by 10, divide by again 20, right, into 144,000. You will find the population of village after 3 years. That comes out to be 156,492. This will be the population after 3 years. Thank you.